What is the best corded circular saw for home use? Here are my full reviews of the best corded circular saw for home use together with key feature. So before starting this video, for more details and price, click product link description. Please like, comment and subscribe this channel. CRAFTSMAN 7 1/4 inch circular saw. Not everyone needs all of the features of a top-of-the-line cordless saw or the heavy-duty capability of a timber framing model. For DIY projects that include an occasional small framing job or breaking down plywood sheets, and when saving money is a priority, the affordable CRAFTSMAN 7 1/4 inch circular saw is a fine choice. Key features. This 15-amp model runs at 5,500 RPMs and features a magnesium shoe for reduced weight. The shoe bevels up to 55 degrees, allowing users to customize the angle of their cuts. Also, this model features a built-in rafter hook that users can utilize to hang it from a beam, ladder, or another ledge. Available through Amazon and Lowe's. Makita XSSO 3Z 18 volts LXD Lithium-Ion Cordless 5 3/8 inch. For part-time DIYers or smaller framed users, Makita's XSSO 3Z 18 volts LXD Lithium-Ion Cordless 5 3/8 inch circular saw's small size and minimal weight make it an attractive option. This saw weighs just 6 pounds, allowing DIYers of any size and skill level to wield it. Key features. Despite its minimal size and smaller blade, this cordless circular saw has a depth of cut of up to 2 inches, offering more than enough capacity for framing lumber. And, with its 3,600 RPM top speed, it's capable of handling most projects. The base bevels up to 50 degrees to allow users to make bevel cuts. And the built-in dust blower keeps the cut line clear so they can see the cut line. Available through Amazon and Home Depot. SKILSAW 10 1/4 SAWSQUATCH circular saw. SKIL is such a well-known saw maker. Many people call all circular saws SKILSAWs, and believe it or not, the company's SAWSQUATCH is its mid-size model at 10 1/4 inches. This worm drive saw can cut both framing materials and sheet goods and also handle thick timbers. Key features. Deck builders and timber framers can appreciate the quick and accurate cuts the SAWSQUATCH can make in one pass. It uses a 15-amp motor and runs at a top speed of 4,600 RPMs with plenty of torque. This corded, heavy-duty saw might be a bit much for some DIYers, but its capability can't be denied. Available through Amazon. BLACK+DECKER 20 volts max 5.5 inch cordless circular saw. Heavy saws can be intimidating and difficult for some DIYers to maneuver. This cordless circular saw from BLACK+DECKER does away with those fears, weighing just 7.5 pounds, and that includes the rechargeable battery. Key features. This BLACK+DECKER cordless circular saw is a basic yet capable model. The motor has a top speed of 3,700 RPMs, making it powerful enough for most projects. The base bevels up to 50 degrees as well as adjusts the height of the blade for cuts up to 2 inches deep. This also features a built-in safety in the handle to prevent accidental activations. Available through Amazon and Home Depot. SKILSAW 7 1/4 inch worm drive circular saw. This SKILSAW option is the go-to model on most construction sites nationwide. This worm drive circular saw is useful for framing, carpentry, and even cutting sheet goods. It has a set of worm gears to increase the torque, making it a truly powerful saw. Key features. This SKILSAW features a depth of cut guide on the side of the saw, allowing users to choose from among different sizes of plywood or framing lumber in seconds. The base adjusts to allow for bevel cuts up to 53 degrees. And, despite being such a heavy-duty model, this worm drive circular saw features plenty of magnesium parts to reduce its overall weight to less than 12 pounds.